Boston's housing market is hot, but not every suburb has reached its peak yet. In this video, we're going to break down 5 greater Boston towns that are about to explode in popularity. We're talking about great schools, affordable homes compared to the nearby hotspots, walkable town centers, and that classic New England feel. Stick around to the end because number 1 is the best value in all of greater Boston. Before I get going, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that you can know when we're putting out these type of videos. I appreciate it. Coming in at number 5, Mansfield, where family life meets concert nights. Mansfield is where suburban calm meets the weekend excitement. The schools consistently rake in the top tier statewide, making it a strong choice for families. Homes average about $690,000, noticeably less pricier than their neighbors like Sharon, while offering a 40-minute commute to both Boston and Providence. The town center is lively, anchored by dining and the Xfinity Center amphitheater. The nearby Borderland State Park provides miles of trails. Mansfield blends suburban comfort with entertainment energy, which makes it one to watch. Number 4, Grafton, the sleepier hit of Central Mass, tucked away in Worcester County. Grafton is a classic New England town you might be overlooking. Its schools consistently perform well, and it's got a median home price of around $620K. It's more affordable than neighbors like Westboro or Shrewsbury. The commuter rail brings Boston within about 45 minutes, and the historic town common anchors local pride. And in a growing restaurant scene, small town charm at a price point that still has room to grow. Number 3, Hudson. This is the downtown that everybody's talking about. Hudson's made a name for itself with one of the most vibrant small downtowns in Massachusetts, from craft breweries to artisanal ice cream to the Assabet Trail. It's a walkable, fun, and community-focused. Homes hover around $640K, which is a bargain compared to nearby Sudbury and Concord, where prices are well over $1 million. Add a 40-minute drive to Boston and a top-tier school system, Hudson's a perfect mix of value and buzz. Number 2, Littleton, the suburban underdog next to the giants. Sitting in between names like Acton and Concord, Littleton's affordable underdog with a median price of around $630,000, and it's significantly cheaper than Concord's $1.5 million. Yet its schools are well rated and competitive. Located 35 miles from Boston, it has both highway and commuter rail access, making it attractive for commuters who work in Boston. Families love Long Lake Beach, conservation areas, and the Point, a mixed-use dining and shopping hub. Littleton is where small-town affordability meets big-town amenities. Number 1, Chelmsford, the best value in Greater Boston. Chelmsford is one of the best buys in Greater Boston right now, with schools ranked in the top 20%. The median home price is around $690,000, well below nearby towns. Only 25 miles to Boston with commuter rail access and Route 3 at your doorstep. It's a commuter-friendly and community-centered. The Center Village and Bruce Freeman Rail Trail gives Chelmsford charm and activity, making it the ultimate mix of schools, value, and lifestyle. So there you have it, top 5 Boston suburbs ready to boom. From Mansfield's concerts and parks to Chelmsford's unbeatable school value mix. These towns combine affordability, great schools, and real New England charm. If you're house hunting in Massachusetts, keep these on your radar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you in the next video.